So we are here at Adventure Outdoors, the largest gun store in the South, so I'm told. We're gonna go inside and check it out. I don't know how much filming we can actually do, but we'll take a peek, see what there is to see. So we're back from Adventure Outdoors. We're back from Adventure Outdoors. And what did we get, Matt?
We got AR pistol.
AR pistol.
5.56.
Ooh, she'll play. AR pistol made by ATI, American Tactical, the Omni. But that's not the best part. This part's right over here.
Buy that gun and ammo, and then you got a 12 gauge for free.
Free 12 gauge, not any 12 gauge. It's an SDS, Turkish SDS semi-automatic 12 gauge shotgun. Not a bad deal.
Pretty good.
Buy one, get one. Just what you need for Christmas.
Can't beat it.
Deals and steals. What do we have here? Desert Eagle. What do you think? We're gonna go shoot this off the back porch? Might as well, huh? Look at those things. That's a whole lot of freedom right there. We're gonna let some freedom ring off the back patio. Stay tuned.
Soundstrap.
So we're out here in Georgia. We're at Glock, the Glock factory where they make all the Glock firearms here in the United States. And there is no showroom, there is no storefront or anything here. It's just the factory. So we kind of snuck in. The security guard let us through the gate to do a U-turn. So we're doing a U-turn. We're doing it right, but as you can see here, we're just we're not allowed to go into the facility at all. But he did hook us up. He gave us a Glock. They give them out free here if you didn't know that, but they come on a keychain. That was the joke he told us. So unfortunately, we don't get to tour the facility. We don't get to go see where all the magic happens, but we are here in, I say, Smyrna. Smyrna. It's up from the West Coast. I don't say it right. But this is awesome. Best handguns in the world right here. So while we're out here in Georgia, our family said we have to come to Buc-ee's. This is the biggest gas station I've ever seen in my life. So let's go in and check it out, see what it's all about. This is a gas station, everybody. Sure, buddy. Hold on a sec. I feel like we're in the Walmart. What do you think?
Better.
but better. This is the biggest gas station I have ever been in. Jerky on jerky on jerky on jerky. It just doesn't end. Okay, maybe it does end. All right, guys, it is 3:30 in the morning. Our flight landed in Phoenix at 1 a.m., 2.5 hour drive back here to Yuma. We were exhausted. I think Lindsay's already upstairs, probably in bed already. We're gonna try to get a few hours of sleep because in just a few hours we're gonna get up and load up and we're going to the desert for 5 days. It's gonna be absolutely awesome, epic trip, so we can't wait to do that. We'll bring you along with us on that one, but right now, it's time for bed. Huge shout out to Matt and Evan who put us up for the 5 days we were out in Georgia. Took us around, showed us everything. Went to the gun stores and the gas stations. I got to visit with family we haven't seen in a long time. So it was great catching up with everybody, but right now, it's time for bed. Thanks for watching.